Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of Constitution of India, as we are looking into federal structure and distribution of legislative and financial power between union and states, previously we looked upon features of federal government. Now we are going to look upon legislative relations from Article 245 and 255. So let's get started. Article 245 and 255 in Part 11 of Constitution deals with different aspects of legislative relations between Union and states. So it's given in Constitution Part 11. The territorial jurisdiction of larva made by Parliament and by the legislature of states. Distribution of legislative subjects. Power of Parliament to legislate with respect to matter in state list. Centers control state legislation. However, 7th schedule of Constitution provides for the distribution of legislative powers between center and states. The legislative subjects are divided into three lists. First is union list, second is concurrent list, and third one is state list. So at present there are 100 subjects in the union list, which include subjects such as foreign affairs, defense, railway, postal service, banking, atomic energy, communication, currency, etc. At present there are 61 subjects in state list. So in union list there are 100 subjects. In state lists there are 61 subjects. This list includes subjects like police, public orders, roadways, health, agriculture, local government, drinking water facilities, sanitation, etc. And at present, there are 52 subjects in concurrent list. The list includes subjects such as education, forests, protection of wild animals and birds, electricity, labor welfare, criminal law and procedure, civil procedure, population control and family planning, drugs, etc. Article 245 empowers the center to give direction to the states in certain case in regards to exercise of their executive power. Article 246 states the Parliament has exclusive powers to make laws with respect to any subject matters specified in List 1, 2 and 3 of 7th Schedule. Article 247 vests the power of establishment of additional courts by Parliament for a matter related to Union list, whereas Article 248 states that Parliament has exclusive power to make any law with respect to any matter not included in concurrent list or state list. Article 249 empowers the Parliament to legislate with respect to a matter in state list in the national interest. Under Article 250, the Parliament becomes empowered to make laws on the matter related to state list when the national emergency is in operation. That is under Article Article 352 of National Emergency. Article 252. The Parliament is empowered to legislate for two or more states by their consent. Article 256 states that executive power of every state shall be so exercised as to ensure compliance with the laws made by the Parliament and by existing laws which apply in that state, and the consecutive power of union shall extend to the giving of such direction to the state as may appear to the government of India to be necessary for that purpose. So this is all about legislative relations from Article 245 to Article 255. Next in this we are going to look upon cooperation between centers and states. So for this, stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel. Press the bell button to get the latest notifications to our video updates. Thank you.